Man, them boy I go hear from me now, you know. So man, charge up now and come back into the place. Wonder what I go on. Dark man get dark right now, no brother. Who's a call me? Huh? Yo! What go on? Brother, I just fall back in my place and I hear a beer thing, brother. What go on? I joke this dog. Yo, wanna just link up everybody, brother, and make them come on the ends. Brother, wanna stop on the night, brother? A different thing now in a youth. You just link up everybody, brother, and circle around. Brother, I don't talk, just link up everybody and forward youth. I don't talk to your youth. Find them, you know. Find them. Brother, I say find them youth. So you're deaf. Don't talk. Everybody there. You gunshot? Hey. Come on, I'm telling you to come around there, man. How them there, man? Hey. I want you. Bossy. I want to go on. Back and things going to Bossy. Like I'm sure you left me now. Bossy, if you left place in chat, Bossy. Bossy, Blaze have new right and girl now, Bossy. What you say to me, dog? Dog, like you want me get dark right now, Bossy, and Skinny come back alive, you know, Bossy. Skinny when me kill. Skinny come back alive, Bossy. Oh. You can't ask me that, Bossy. Bossy.
Bossy, Blaze a idiot. Bossy, Blaze a idiot. As other girl as right hand. Yes, Bossy. Yes, Bossy.
Bossy. Right, Skinny. Blaze.
Yes, me do a good job, man.
Blaze, come on. You boy. I want your boy. What me do? Yo. Bossy, get dark. You see coke level here?
Idiot.
You man have new right hand, man. Man, I want me brain in the water.
See you, boy. Yeah, you farmer, you know.
Please, how Skinny come back alive?
Yo, me no know no brother. Yo, man fully geared up, you know. Me no know where you get that.
You have one thing, you know, say if you have.
You see me?
You have two in the basket.
Nobody turn up and get shot, you know.
Yeah, man. When you think man got 80 for plant cow, look for my finger them.
Alright, Bossy.
I want two, no brother. Him dead now, you know.
So brother, where you dead on? Ready, you know.
Dead, brother.
Chang girl up there in a Bossy. Man, lift me up in a Bossy.
Not one, you know.
Kidnap me in a Bossy.
I got dead, you know, brother.
In a Bossy.
Bossy, boy, you informer, you know. Follow Bossy.
By the way,
Boss me man now, Skinny can't up.
yo, you are going to find a new ends, no brother. That me have to know you.
So on me dead on.
By the way, which one my chops then?
I know say my chop ship out though.
It's like you want me shot in your face in the blaze.
Yo, Bossy, from the night I push you asleep in a Bossy.
Yo, me I go for Skinny right now, you know, brother. Yo, Skinny I got dead now. Yo, no come.
Boss me man say Skinny can't up.
Boy, go on like you a bad man. Dirty boy nearly get here. See all the girl there. Shot him in her foot, man. Lucky. Here. Mama! Go on.
Darling, you look nice by your finger, eh?
Me know, man.
Nice.
You like
nice.
it?
So yeah, me like it, right?
Yeah, man, me mid, man.
Alright, me I'm gonna give her that.
Go on. Yeah.
Yes, no, me take her in front of him.
No, what I know?
Yo, man, can't do
Yo, boy.
What do you know?
I want you. What make you can't then?
Me can't do it.
Yo, boss, you want to yeah, look. Hey, boy, hold it. Yeah, no. Hold that.
Everything get fucked when I
Go for your boss, and put away for your boss are coming.
Road crusher!
Yo, Blaze man, I could deal with the boy, you know.
So did people.
Yo, so me know some man a bad man, you know.
You know,
In the street and in the room.
Okay.
Yo, Blaze, yo, yeah. Boss.
And that's why I run this, man. And that's why I run this, but I like to coat the point table and everything in place. And I like how you know, take cook like a you pay for it. Or you a shitnet man or something.
Yes, sir.
Alright, now see a roll still. Rotty, make the thing look dirty. Somebody on the forefront go pick her up and cut. Yeah. No joke, I like her place a roll.
I got this ticket from Boston Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Tell them boy like you have some knack. I want to you.
Easy. easy, man. You me say no, man. Tell the boss I respect, cause when you fucking self and I go on like you know, send man shipment come on, you know, say man a real gunman. Arm team, man, no gun back gun. But you wanna know dismiss? Leave! Daddy! Rascal, my boy! How you did that, man?
You know, they teach me change my to get a little breeze off.
Jesus Christ, man, after I bought them, try to brush away.
How are you on the rat again, nasty?
Take a chair and tell you what really go. And boy, I'm gonna teach you about it. I mean, a ratty used to run off the place. Every one of them little 95 people running used to give you every little muckle what they make. You see me? Can't hold with him. But one at a time, we'd get some jugs from England. And Ratty I move craven. You see me? So you hear me saying, man, the boy dig up the thing, thief his shipment, and shoot up a couple of guys there. So that's why, man, them boy there's no more friend. Anyway, we see him with this missing brain. And give Ratty if he near me. You see me? We don't play with people, no time at all. You see me? So that's why the boy them move shaky. You see me? Plus when they go shake them up, so I know nothing that. You see me? Just go on the right, go and take care of Mumu over your place. You see me?
Yeah.
You have a one boy if you live, so the boy take up your badness like me. You see me? Alright, this is respect. Yeah.
Yo, them boy, if dead right now, you know, dog.
Right now.
Feel like a joke, dog. Go for me, I go for them right now, you know, dog.
So bossy, we are wait for man.
Dog. Yo, line up again.
Oh,
Go for them.
so fine. You and Dana make me know about your one.
Yo, how this?
Oh, yeah, man, I knew record, you know.
We like that girl, you know. How that girl come from?
No boss.
Watch
You can't angry a lady like that.
Dog.
You see me?
She good?
Yeah, man, she good, man.
I take care of feet, you know. Yo,
So come in now.
yo, come in, brother. Roll out. Them dead now.
Is that when I don't go?
Yeah, I like all that sweet. I love life, man. Like sweet and fun. Oh, so everybody dead?
Thank you, God.
Boy, you're going dead enough.
What's me going dead for bad dog?
Come up, Professor.
We ain't gonna death back little dead.
Me know you're going dead enough, boy.
You're a bad man, you know.
Come up, Professor, boy.
You think I'm planes?
Boy.
Eh? You think I'm planes, boy? Blood God, that's hot for now. Yo, wait, remember something I sick of say, me sell him sicker.
Me tell you, brother.
I may have arthritis, you know.
Brother, come go.
Go up here, man, the fuck are them dead still? One clan.
Yeah.
One clan.
Yeah.
And I'm moving, don't know anything about. No one a disclaimer, I get it. This video is not to promote violence or to promote shooting or nothing. You see me? We just have to do one little thing.
If they want to shot him, so we beat him.
You don't know anything though. You don't know, say, whole one clan them out. We have some new one clan member. Shout out on yourself starting from over there.
Manda from Dina, man.
Alright, I'm gonna subscribe to the channel. New one clan member. Stiff breast. Tell them.
Hey, Steve Person, you don't know Steve Person in Jamaica.
So to make sure them name up on the screen, you know. So just go subscribe to the channel.
Hello, subscribe to my channel. Here, Roti comedy.
I hear me say no, I'm in a this short thing.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.
Click the notification bell.
Introduce yourself.
If you don't want one more, you don't know what to do.
Follow me Instagram at _girl_Mandy.
Who else?
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, see right there, show them. Yeah.
Never.
Don't know say Steve never carry camera. Vanessa, you don't know anything though. She could do. We never have enough man for camera. And people, a fool to his full one take to a short film. Oh.